Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video I have 4 properties to show you guys. 3 out of 4 of them are coming in under 20 million Jamaican dollars. So I think that's really affordable, really great. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first property I want to show you guys is this 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located on Merrivale Terrace. That's in the Kingston 8 area. So Merrivale is just off Mannings Hill Road, so it's really close by. It's that turn off nearby Richie B gas station. That's the tech circle. So if you're familiar with there, that's right where Merrivale Terrace is. So this one is a great location, you guys, because it's just off Consent Spring Road also, so you're really close to supermarkets, schools, tax office, lots of places. All right, so central location. This apartment is listed for $15 million. I don't know if I said that before, which would work out to about 97,460 US dollars. This one will definitely need some renovation, that's for sure. As you can see, it's a bit dated. Those older windows, the bathroom is a bit dated. The kitchen area would definitely need work and all of that. But for $15 million, I think it's coming in at an affordable price. And I don't think the reno, apart from the bathroom, I don't think it would be too much. Yeah, the bathroom definitely is gonna probably take, majority of the money. This one is seeking a cash buyer. So 15 million Jamaican dollars, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom on Merrivale Terrace, which is off Mannings Hill Road, seeking a cash buyer for this one. You can see it seems to be like, a smaller complex, kind of quiet, intimate and cozy. Nothing too big and fancy and flashy. Coming in at $15 million, I think that's a great price. So I will link all the information down below, so you'll click the link and that's how you'll be able to send the realtor a message and schedule a viewing for this one. So everything will be in the description box down below, and you guys can tell me in the comment section what are your thoughts on this one. Do you think for $15 million is a good price? Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, this one will need some reno, definitely in the bathroom area, and the windows and so forth. Probably don't want to go fix the tiling, but yeah, that's it. The second property I want to show you guys is this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. This is a 2-story townhouse, and it's located in Passmore Town in the Kingston area. So this would be in like the Kingston South area, closer to towns like Franklin Town and those areas. This one is listed for 14 million Jamaican dollars, or the equivalent would be like 90,962 US dollars. As you can see, you guys, this one is newly renovated. This one is move-in ready. I do like the touch and the work that was done into this place to bring it to where it is now. As you can see, I have some really nice features. Yeah, let's use that. Really nice features inside. I like what was done with the tile, the ceiling fans, adding in those ceiling fans, cabinetry space and so on. It really gives the place a great touch, and I think they had good choice in paint and all of that. So again, this one is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom listed for 14 million Jamaican dollars in Passmore Town, which is in the Kingston South area. It's a townhouse, okay? So 2-story townhouse. So if you're interested in this one, I will link it down below in the description box. Description box is right below the title of this video, and if you're interested in this one, you can reach out to the realtor to do a viewing. So what do you guys think of this one here in Passmore Town? I don't think I've ever been to Passmore Town. Passmore, why that sound funny to say? Passmore Town. I'm not familiar with the area as much, but I'm familiar with probably like Franklin Town and that area, so you guys can tell me what you think. Let's hop on over to Duhaney Park in the St. Andrew type area, and this is the most expensive one that I'm going to show you in today's video. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom, 2-story townhouse. Again, nice townhouse situation. This one is listed for 24 million Jamaican dollars, or US $155,935. This one is located on Boswell Avenue, and as you can see, some renovations or some work has started on this property. I don't know how much was done or what level they're at the point where they're selling it now, so it seems like you definitely have some rough edges and some things to finish up. So you can factor that in, of course, when you go and do your viewings and when you reach out to the realtor. So this one is in the Duhaney Park area. I think for a 3-bedroom, 2.5, 24 million does sound right on price for the prices that they're going for in Kingston. As long as this is not like a bad area of Duhaney Park, I think it is fair. It's fair. As you can see, they built out like a carport area, which is really good. And then the upstairs bedroom also has one of the bedrooms upstairs has like a balcony. So yeah, this one is a decent listing, I think. You don't seem to have too much work that you need to go in and do to make it modern. Probably just finish up what they have started. So if you think this one is a good one, let me know in the comments down below. Do you think it's a fair price for Duhaney Park? Would you take up this offer on this one? Let me know in the comments down below. And the last property I have to show you guys is located in the Red Hills area. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Tapper Hill, Rock Hall, Red Hills. This one is listed for 19 million Jamaican dollars, or the equivalent US $123,449. This one is located in a small apartment complex. The apartment complex only has 7 units, so that's going to be like a smaller, more intimate, cozy type of apartment complex, which I tend to prefer those smaller apartment complex that go from like anywhere from like 6 to 15 units. To me, I prefer that. This apartment complex does feature a pool area and a gazebo, which is quite attractive. The only drawback with me whenever Red Hills comes up is the distance from busier, more central areas in Kingston, like to get to Halfway Tree and all of that. But if you like the hills and you like being in a more quieter environment, more toned down vibe, then Red Hills is definitely the area for you. And there are lots of persons like that in Kingston. They don't want to be in the heart of everything. They want somewhere further out, a little bit more tranquil, a little bit more private. Yes, so apartments in the Red Hills area, I'll definitely say that's it's for those persons. Definitely persons who want to be away from it all. So as you can see, the apartment to me doesn't seem like it needs much work. Of course, you'd go in and add your personal touch. I don't really like this orange arch thing here. Yeah, I'd personally get rid of that, trying to just to make it more open. What some persons do, they like the closed off kitchen. But I don't know, that arch was just very awkward to me. So tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. That arch to me is just very awkward. The bathroom, there are definitely some things I would go in and change, make it a bit more modern, but nothing. You don't need heavy reno, so it's definitely in a state where you can move in and take your time. Oh my god, that arch is killing me, you guys. Tell me in the comments down below. I don't like that arch. Whose idea was that? I don't know. I don't think that has any purpose. But maybe I'm being picky and weird. But of course, if you purchase it, you can do whatever you want with the arch. So again, if you're interested in this one, you're going to click the link in the description box down below. And that's the only way you can get in contact with the realtor for this one. And reach out about doing a viewing. I do like this complex though, it just seems very peaceful and quiet still. very peaceful and quiet. I'm just wondering how far out it is from the Kingston area and those more central areas, because Rockall, from what I've heard about Rockall, it seems pretty far, but you know, it's all up to the buyer if they're interested in this one. Again, 19 million Jamaican dollars, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, Topper Hill, Rockall, Red Hills, small apartment complex. Tell me in the comments down below what you think about this one. And yeah, that's it. So that is the final property I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me on another video. Our next video goes up on Sunday, of course. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Safe Haven, on Instagram at Safe Haven, or if you want to follow my personal pages, it's Britonny Haye on TikTok and Instagram as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below and tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on Sunday for our next video.